Get key features and / or buyer reviews before select ROVSUN 2.6 cubic foot portable clothes dryer. Are recommended that you do not buy, unless you have read and studied this product, until you are sure that quality are acceptable, and you really want to buy. And don't forget press to subscribe, click bell and select all, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Why you choose ROVSUN 2.6 cubic foot portable clothes dryer. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Drying. This electric clothes dryer is constructed with spacious capacity, dries up to 9 pounds of laundry to sooner dry your clothes, sheets, and dedicates. Almost meets the drying needs of the whole family. Even though it lasts rainy, you can still put on your beautiful dresses every day. Operating this dryer is an easy, understanding and enjoyable laundry experience according to the material and quantity of clothing you put in it. Convenient for people, even for the elder and child, to operate. Featured with various drying modes for making our life more convenient and healthier. Designed see-through window allows you to observe the drying status at any time. Power off protection while opening door, which can ensure much higher safety. Built-in side handles for easier moving, and the bracket is included for mounting dryer on the wall. And reverse tumble action featured with large diameter stainless steel from Load Tumble. This portable laundry dryer adopts the forward and reverse tumble action with inner S-shaped device for easy rotation to prevent tangling. Effectively removing wrinkles and restoring the fluffy and comfortable fabrics in the moderate temperature. If you want to get highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends, important. Don't forget to press subscribe us and press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.